Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by warming the compressor for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen the oil, make sure the power is unplugged, and the tank pressure reads 0 psi. Place a drain pan under the oil drain plug and remove the dipstick so air can flow. Once done, slowly loosen the drain plug and let all old oil pour out. This reduces sludge left behind. Keep rags ready. Contained spills save time. Check the oil filter area and set aside the drain plug for reinstallation. With oil drained, you remove the oil filter or the fill cap screen. This is where contaminants hide. Then inspect it for metal shavings or discoloration. Clean the magnetic drain plug and the filter housing with a lint-free cloth to remove sludge. This prevents recirculation of debris. Once cleaned, fit a new gasket or O-ring and install the replacement filter hand-tight plus a quarter turn. Make sure threads are aligned. Cross-threading can damage the compressor casing and cause leaks later. You refill with the specified oil quantity. Consult the plate, but typically 500 to 1000 ml, and replace the dipstick. Start the compressor briefly and watch for leaks at the filter and drain plug. A running check circulates oil and confirms pressure. Once running, shut down and recheck the level, topping to spec if needed. If you hear knocking or notice low output, immediately stop. Recheck oil level, ensure the filter is seated and the drain plug tight. Trapped air or low oil causes those symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.